In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create what I'm calling a faux treble stitch. In American terms, this would be a faux double stitch. A faux or false treble stitch replaces the standard chain 2, which starts a round or begins a row of crochet. It's not a treble stitch, but it mimics or looks very similar to a treble stitch. There are quite a few different methods people use to construct the starting stitch, but the version I'm going to show you in this tutorial is the method I prefer. But first, I want to show you why using a faux treble gives a neater end result. In this swatch I've made here, I've started each round with 2 chains, the standard way. 2 chains look quite different to a standard treble, and when they stack up in round upon round, a visible line develops. You can see that visual line here. Replacing the 2 chain start with a faux treble blurs that line and gives a more seamless result from the front. The faux treble begins with the slip stitch that we use to close off the round. So to start the stitch, I'm going to slip stitch this round closed. Next, I'm going to extend the loop I've made to approximately the height of a treble stitch, like this. Now, we need to draw this loop to the back of our work. To do this, insert your hook into the same stitch from the back. Place the loop on your hook and draw it through to the back. Now, remove the extended loop from your hook and leave it hanging loose here where it is for now. We're now going to go back into the same stitch again, but this time from the front going towards the back. Yarn over and draw the working yarn back through to the front. Yarn over again. You'll have 1 loop on your hook and the extended loop will still be loose at the back. We're now going to pick up the extended loop and add it back onto our hook, leaving 2 loops now on the hook. Yarn over again and draw the yarn through the loop on your hook. This finishes the faux treble. As you can see, the faux treble mimics a standard treble. And I'm going to show you now how this blends in my Dunrig placemat pattern. So this is the pattern, and if I rotate it around, you'll notice that there isn't a clear, easy to see line traveling up through those rounds. If I flip it over, you'll see that the faux treble makes a ridge, which will help me show you where that line should be on the front. If I flip it back now, focusing on that area, the line is still hard to see. And that is why we use a faux treble instead of a standard 2 chain start.